Have you ever wondered, how do rattlesnakes make their rattling sound? When you hear this sound from a rattlesnake, it means danger, and it's basically telling you to back off. So how do they make that rattle, that sounds like a maraca? Rattlesnakes make this sound by shaking the tip of their tail, which consists of loosely interlocking segments that are hooked together, made out of keratin, the same material that your fingernails are made of. They shake their tail so quickly, around 50 to 100 times a second, that's why it looks like a blur, but when you slow it down, it shows how the loose segments move, and they basically click against each other. They do this to warn potential predators, especially in their natural habitats, where rattlesnakes camouflage so well that you might not notice them, so they will make the rattling sound to tell you they are there as an auditory warning, to avoid being accidentally stepped on, but for the most part, rattlesnakes tend to avoid confrontation.